You need help?
What? A Jeep with a trailer. A Jeep with a trailer.
You like that?
What do you think, bud? What's wrong? Yeah, we can get it open. What do you think? Yeah. No, well,
Mommy found it for
kinda. You know how you like Jeeps and you like trailers? So I just thought you'd like it. Do you?
Yeah.
Alright, what do you say?
Thank you, but can you open
you. Yeah, we'll get it for you.